Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm gonna share most effective exercises for Gua Sha full face massage. Before you start, don't forget to moisturize your skin and wash your Gua Sha. Like always, we'll start with lymphatic massage. Start on your collarbones, moving outwards for 10 times with your Gua Sha. Repeat the same for the other side. Lymphatic drainage will open up lymph nodes and help to reduce puffiness and swelling, also detoxification. By stimulating lymph flow, it helps remove toxins and waste products from the skin, reducing breakouts and promoting clear skin. Then move up to the neck sides and start to move downwards for 10 times on each side. Then move to your neck and start to move upwards on the other parts of your neck. Keep doing this slowly for 8 times on each part. When you're on the middle of your neck, move upwards and vibrate for a while on the double chin area. This vibration will help to increase blood circulation and promote fat burn. Next, we move to the jawline. Start to move from your chin upwards to your ears and then come down on the sides of your neck. Keep doing this for 10 times on each side. With this move, you're gonna increase blood circulation and lead fat cells from this area towards the lymph nodes that are located in the ears and neck sides. Then we move to one of the most effective exercises, Jowls lifting. This exercise is a combination of 2 exercises, Jowls lift and cheeks lift. Move upwards from your chin towards the sides of your nose with your Gua Sha. Then move outwards to the sides of your face and towards your ears. Keep doing this slowly and smoothly for 10 times on each side. This exercise will lift the sagging jowls, lift corners. It will also lift the cheeks and sculpt them. Also, by increasing blood circulation and promoting collagen production, it will give you brighter skin. Next exercise is for smile lines. Unfold the smile lines and any wrinkles in hair with your Gua Sha and then lift upwards over your cheeks. Keep doing this for 5 times on each side. This move will reduce smile lines, marionette lines. It will also lift the face. Next exercise is a very effective exercise to depuff the nose. Start to massage sides of your nose for 3 to 4 times and then move upwards on your cheeks to reduce the stagnant fluid build up in the sinus area and nasal areas. Keep doing this for 5 times on each side. This exercise will reduce puffiness in the nose and help the nose to look slimmer. It will also improve breathing. As a result, it will reduce headaches resulted by poor breathing habits. Next exercise is for dark circles and puffiness under the eyes. Start to vibrate on the under eye area for 15 seconds on each side, but don't go too close to the eyes. This vibration will improve blood circulation. As a result, it will reduce puffiness and eye bags under the eyes. It will also help to brighten up the under eye area, reducing dark circles. Next exercise is for hooded eyes and reducing puffiness over the eyes. Start to move outwards under your brows for 10 times. By sliding from the tip of your brows to the temples, you're gonna reduce any puffiness, water retention, and toxins in this area. You will move them to the temples, which we have lymph nodes. Next exercise is for frown lines. Start to vibrate on this area for 20 seconds. By vibrating, you're gonna activate the muscles here and reduce their tension. Then move to your eyebrows and start to vibrate on 3 points under your brows. Massage for 3 to 4 seconds on each point. These points are acupressure points that will help the muscle to activate and reduce its tension. Then start to lift over your brows. Keep doing this for 30 seconds. Move from the tip of your brows towards the end of your brows and then come back and repeat for 30 seconds. As you know, our brow muscles hold tension and stress in them during the day. As a result, they get shortened. With this move, you're gonna relax the brow muscles, help them to lengthen and go back to their normal length. As a result, it will reduce frown lines and any wrinkles in this area. It will also lift the eyes and brows. Next we have forehead massage, which is a complementary for previous exercise. Slide your gua sha slowly and smoothly upwards on your forehead for 30 seconds. This exercise will reduce forehead muscles tension and any horizontal wrinkles and fine lines on the forehead. Lastly, finish the routine with lymphatic drainage massage. Start from the tip of your brow, move to your temple, then your ears, and the neck side. Repeat the same for the other side of your face. This massage helps flush out excess fluid, especially around the eyes, cheeks, and double chin area, giving your face a more sculpted and refreshed look. Then move to the neck area and start to move downwards for 15 seconds on all parts of your neck. At the end, move to your collarbones and slide on them for 5 times on each side. So this was it for today's quick tutorial. Hope it was helpful. See you next one. Bye.